Let's get another check of the forecast right now with Chief Meteorologist Tim Pandages. Tim, any second right now, Helene's going to make landfall.
Yeah, it's imminent, and it's going to be a storm to remember in the Big Bend area of Florida. Category 4. I mean, yesterday when we were talking, it was a Category 1.
Right.
Jumped 3 categories in 24 hours, satisfied rapid intensification criteria. Here's a look at it on satellite imagery. 6-hour loop here. You can see it really blossoming, and now that it's making landfall, it will be going away from its fuel source, the warm waters of the northeast Gulf of Mexico, and we'll see it slowly degrade as it rips to the north. Here's a look at radar. I think it's pretty safe to say that this storm has made landfall. We were waiting for the center of the eye to move over land, and it looks like that has occurred. We're just waiting for the official update from the National Hurricane Center. Regardless, it is causing havoc everywhere through Tallahassee down to the south and southeast of there towards the coast. So eventually it builds north, and we see impacts here locally in our area. We're looking at a tornado threat and some tropical downpours from the outermost bands lifting through our area. Here it is cruising on through Atlanta overnight tonight, through Georgia, over Atlanta by early tomorrow morning with very gusty winds. The wind field is very large with this. And then there's the outer band that we'll be tracking tomorrow. And as it lifts from the southwest towards the north and east, some of these cells may have some spin in it. We already have the general spin from the storm system itself, so that brings about our tornado threat, tropical downpours, and overall it'll be a breezy day tomorrow too. So we'll start things off tomorrow morning. It'll be a quiet start to our Friday. Cloudy, breezy, but dry for the most part. By lunchtime, we'll start to watch the bands approach the I-95 corridor, and then by early afternoon, we're watching some of the bands moving on through. Again, some of these will have some heavy downpours and some spin, so we'll be watching for some tornado warnings there. And then most of it lifts out of here by sunset tomorrow, and we set ourselves up for a pretty decent weekend overall. It's just we got to get through that like 8-hour time frame tomorrow to watch the radar closely. So Storm Prediction Center has a level 2 threat for Southside, northeastern North Carolina, for the favorable dynamics to facilitate a few spin-up tornadoes. Not everybody will see them, certainly. The best chance will be well off to the south and west tomorrow, but we need to watch every cell closely. 81 degrees tomorrow, gusty afternoon downpours with the outermost bands, and breezy. Gusts could get up to around 30 miles per hour or so tomorrow, and you can see the rain chances are really favored in the afternoon, highest between 2 and around 6 p.m., and then everything will lift towards the north. After that clears, we jump ahead to Saturday morning. Partly cloudy skies, warm and muggy, temperatures already in the 70s, and look at temperatures Saturday afternoon, mid to maybe upper 80s in a few spots, definitely a hint of a summer feel out there. And then getting into Sunday night, temperatures come back down in the low 60s, and then look what happens by Sunday. Brand new update here shows an increasing rain chance as we head through Sunday morning. Some spotty downpours out there, especially down through northeastern North Carolina. It's a big change from the earlier model run, so we'll see if that trend holds. But shower chances certainly higher on Sunday, and then eventually into Monday as well. So the first half of the weekend looking good. 86, partly cloudy and summer-like. And then getting into the day Sunday, we're going to up those odds from 30% more likely to 40, maybe even 50%, and bring the shower chance through most of the day. Here's how it looks elsewhere in the tropical Atlantic. Helene and Isaac, and we've got 2 other areas to watch. Next 2 names are Joyce and Kirk. Pretty active out there. 81 tomorrow, weather alert day in the afternoon. 86 on Saturday, and then rain chances go right back up. Pretty unsettled start to the week, and then a nice finish as a cold front clears the area. Skies will clear, temperatures come down in the mid-70s through the middle of next week. Guys?